Hi guys, today we'll be unboxing One Piece cards. And their English version too, okay? So let's get into it. Oh guys, so first our thing is King. We have King, okay? From the Animal Kingdom Pirates. So yeah. Plus we are guaranteed one SR, so W. So yeah guys, so our next card is Kozuki Odin. Wow. The details are fire. Let me make real quick. This is cool. Kozuki Odin. Damn. Oh, it's rainbow too. See it? Next card. Our next card is Unizamana. So yeah, guys. It's shiny, I guess. But yeah, on to the next card. Yeah. Monkey D. Garp. Luffy's grandpa. He's in the Navy, of course. Pretty strong man. No shining with it, and no rainbow with it, sadly. Carrot. She's a mink. Hey, at least she's shiny. Next. Ooh, I see something. Seaquake from Marineford, isn't it? Yo! Seaquake from Marineford. Yeah, for Emperor Whitebeard. Yeah, I'm not gonna spoil it, so yeah. But it is shiny, so wow. So next one. Tashigi, okay. I don't care about you, Tashigi, you suck. I don't know. He is a Navy, okay, I guess, but sorry, but I don't remember you. Okay, now who the heck are you? I'm sorry, I don't know who you are. Django. He's in the Navy. What now? I thought he was with the Black Cat Pirates. Whatever. Ross. I don't know how to pronounce it, but he's from the Don Flamingo Pirates. So he was a Marine before. Full body. I don't know who are you. So we have full body here. You suck too, so I don't care. And now you. Ooh! Sakani Sacred Jewel. Isn't that Kizaru, guys? Yeah. You look cool, so you go there. Kolomi. I don't know who you are, sadly, so sorry. Go there. He's from the land of Wano, of course. So I know that. Go to the garbage bin. I don't know who you are, though. Bao Hang. She's from the Animal Kingdom Pirates. She has the smile. You going there too? I don't care who you are. Apu, the sound fruit. You're still going on again. Bankoi. Bro, why are there's so many Animal Kingdom people? Right after that, another Animal Kingdom person. You are in the Animal Kingdom Pirates too. Like, what the heck? Bro, you too. Yeah, I don't know who you are, Anin. But yeah. Elephant Mancho. It's from the... Wow, don't you love this? Punk Hazard, yo. Bellamy, the spring what am I saying? The spring fruit. Caesar Cutlass. He's the seven warlords of the sea. Crocodile, right? Yeah. Trafalgar Law. You look cool, so you go there too. I don't know. I know who you are, but like Bartolomeo, you. I don't know who you are. Buggy. I know who you are, but you're still going there. I know who you are, but you're going there. Virgo. I'll put you in the cool boy spot. Officer agents. Baroque works. Baroque down. So yeah. Penguin from Heart Pirates Locker. Yeah. Shinobi, whatever. Komatsu from Fishman Land of Wano, and Kazaya 9. I don't know who you are, but bye. Nico Mushi. Shinobu. Yeah. Kanjuro. Begin. No, okay, I'm sorry, Bara. Lenavano. Bro, what happened to you? Okay, I'm so sorry. You can be my samurai. You should be my samurai. I would rather have you all. Kobe. You look cool, so you go there. Catch from the White Beard Pirate. Yeah, who is he, guys? Yeah. Little Oris Jr. You? Okay, you going? I'm sorry. King Deal. You're from the White Beard Pirates? Go there. You too. The ship. You too. Bro. Okay, Mountain Bandits. You go there too. Dagora. Bye. You may be a fool, but I still love you. Yeah.